Good morning, everyone. This is Mayur Chowgule from grade 3. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Wednesday and today's date is 20th August 2025. Thank you. Good morning, all. This is Sarang Patil from grade 3. Every Wednesday we observe Wellness Wednesday. So, on behalf of it, I would like to share some healthy tips such as upgrade your oral care, floss once a day, and change your toothbrush every 3 months. Hygiene matter, keep nails trimmed, take bath daily, and change your socks and underclothes regularly. Thank you.
Good morning, all. This is Nandita Poddar from grade 3. I am Anika Bhati from grade 3.
My name is Srinika Ugar from grade 3.
This is Anushka Solge from grade 3.
Today we are going to tell you importance of the day. Today we are observing Sadbhavana Diwas, celebrated on August 20 every year, and it means Goodwill Day. It observed in memory of Rajiv Gandhi, India's former Prime Minister. It promotes peace, harmony and unity among all people.
It is important because it reminds us to respect everyone, teaches us to live in harmony without fighting.
May this day inspire. We are also observing another important day, which is Akshay Urja Diwas.
Celebrated on August 20 every year, Akshay Urja means inexhaustible energy like hydro energy and solar energy. Renewable energy is important because it's clean and doesn't pollute the earth. It never runs out, helps in fighting climate change and keeps planet green.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send a message that Sadbhavana Diwas promotes peace, kindness and unity. Akshay Urja Diwas highlights the importance of clean energy.
May this day inspire us to spread peace, kindness, and unity.
Let us also commit to protect our earth
By using clean and renewable energy. Thank you.